Looking to unlock the full potential of your 4K Ultra HD TV or gaming rig? The Fusion4K HDMI cable delivers crystal clear 4K resolution at 60 Hz, with stunning color accuracy and smooth motion. Whether you're streaming the latest blockbuster or diving into intense gaming, this cable ensures your visuals are sharp, vibrant, and fluid. What makes Fusion4K stand out? It supports both 4096 by 2160 and 3840 by 2160 resolutions, meaning you get the maximum data throughput your devices can handle. With HDMI 2.0, 2.0A, and 2.0B compatibility, it's designed for the latest Ultra HD standards, including HDR. That means brighter whites, deeper blacks, and a wider color spectrum that brings every scene to life. Plus, it supports mirror and extended display modes for versatile setups. Audio matters just as much as video, and Fusion4K doesn't disappoint. It handles up to 18 gigabits per second bandwidth and supports advanced audio formats like Dolby True HD 7.1, Dolby Atmos, and DTS:X. With 32 audio channels and Ultra 3D sound, you'll hear every detail, from subtle whispers to booming explosions, with dramatic clarity. It's the kind of sound experience that transforms your living room into a full-fledged theater. Durability is another key benefit. This cable is fully shielded and built heavy-duty to resist interference and wear. It's backward compatible with older HDMI versions, so it works seamlessly with your existing gear. Plus, it comes with an unconditional warranty, giving you peace of mind with your investment. Users across the United States rave about how flawlessly the Fusion4K cable performs. Unlike cheaper alternatives that can cause signal drops or blurry images, this cable maintains consistent, high-quality transmission every time. It's a reliable upgrade for anyone serious about their home entertainment. If you're ready to experience true 4K Ultra HD with superior audio and rock-solid reliability, the Fusion4K HDMI cable is worth a look. It connects effortlessly to 4K Blu-ray players, smart 3D devices, media PCs, and the latest streaming gadgets, making it the perfect addition to your setup. Ready to elevate your viewing and listening experience? Try the Fusion4K HDMI cable when you're ready and see the difference premium quality makes. It's more than just a cable, it's what your 4K gear has been waiting for.